Welcome to another session of the flip chart sessions. Purpose of these sessions are to give you some insight in what we're going to do at the upcoming South African Labour Law reports. In the previous sessions, I've given you various dates that we'll be doing with these seminars. In this session, I want to remind you that we'll be in Bloemfontein on the 6th of July 2026. One of the issues that we're going to talk about is what is the nature of a collective agreement that's been extended. So you remember you've got two types of collective agreements. You've got the plant level collective agreement and you've got sectoral level collective agreements. Both plant level collective agreements and sectoral collective agreements can be extended to non-parties. Specifically, when they're extended to non-parties, the nature of the collective agreement changes. And it changes from a contractual type of relationship to what we call subordinate legislation. Consistently, that has been held like that now for quite a while. That was the viewpoint in the Labour Appeal Court already in 2010 in this Platinum Mile investment case. And that viewpoint has been reiterated in the last 12 months in the Mavella Trans case. And in the Mavella Trans case, which is a Labour Court judgment, the court relying on Platinum Mine investment reiterated this principle that collective agreements are subordinate legislation. If collective agreements that are extended are subordinate legislation, then one of the most important principles would be that they would be subject to review in terms of the legality principle.